In this video, I'm going to tell you how to answer of a question. Have you ever faced the situation when someone asks you a question but you are not able to answer them? You start thinking in your mind, you start translating. You always think in your mind just in your native language. Then you start translating. It takes a long time with everyone. That is why you stay silent most of the time. So it used to happen with me also. I start thinking in my mind in my native language, then I translate in English. So but and I was just waiting for to become perfect. Then I just realized that if I used to wait to become perfect, it will not be possible for me. I cannot speak because I will become fluent English speaker. I can eliminate my mistakes uh, after speaking, not before speaking. So I start speaking. So I use these methods that you can also use in your daily life. So first, use simple sentences. So whenever you use simple sentences, you usually answer that confidently. Like if you're asking a question, someone asks you a question, what are you doing? You can answer, I'm just eating the food. So this is the simple question answer. If someone is asking, where are you going? You can say, I'm going to market. This is the simple answer. You don't need to speak a long sentence at a time. Then second method is you have to just you use simple patterns like I will, I will go to the market. I will go to the market. I will eat the food. I will. Then second method is second pattern is I want to eat the food. I want to go to the market. The third pattern is I am. Like I am a doctor. I'm a writer. This pattern will really help you to improve your English speaking. This will improve your confidence level. And the third one is you need to stop translating. Just try to speak directly in English. Whatever you're speaking right now, you're thinking in your mind. You can think in simple language, but you have to speak that only in English. You have to think in English. You're eating right now, you have to think I'm eating. You don't need to translate in your mind. It cannot be possible in one day, but if you try to do it for 1 week, gradually you will be habitual to think only in English. In the beginning, you will be habitual to think in English, simple sentences. Then you can easily speak long and hard sentences, and you can easily think directly in English, long and hard sentences. Then the fifth one is that you need to do it is you need to accept all the mistakes that you are making, because if you accept the mistakes, you will definitely eliminate and resolve that mistakes. What you need to do, you have to start from today, and you need to speak directly without thinking. If you are making mistakes, don't worry, you will be able to gradually you will be able to remove and eliminate these kind of mistakes. But first of all, you have to speak so that you can understand where you are lacking, and you don't need to wait to become perfect. You can be confident once you start speaking.